Hi, welcome to Hadiya Movement Systems. My name is Shani Ojukwu Mantenso, or Dr. Om, Shani Om. We are here for functional fitness and we're doing our 10 minutes tops together. So all you need is your sticky mat or any kind of mat, carpeting, whatever, and 10 minutes of your time. No equipment needed, okay? So we're gonna start with squats, okay? A basic squat. So my feet are a little bit beyond hip width apart. My toes are turned out just a little bit. And we want our knees to go right over our toes. My arms are out in front of me. I'm gonna sit down and up. Good. So sit and come up. So sitting down and back at the same time. And as you come back up, you're pressing into the floor with your feet, keeping your chest up. Okay, your chin up. Good, very nice. So we go down and up. Good, and keep going, keeping that chest up. So my arms are just out in front of me to kind of counterbalance because I'm sitting my tail backward. So just to have, you know, a good counterbalance, okay? So that we don't fall backward. We have some weight out in front of us. Good, we're gonna take a few more of these together. Warming up the legs, the whole body. Getting our heart rate up a little bit, right? Because I only have 10 minutes of your time, so we wanna use it. Good, let's do 4 more. Good, and 3, and 2. Good, nice squats, and last one, and up, very nice, good. Okay, so now we're gonna take some curvy lunges, okay? So right from the center, my feet are right under my hips, and I'm just gonna go over here to the side and bend down and come up, okay? So we're gonna do one side at a time so that we really feel it, and then we'll do the other side, okay? So just cross behind and down and up and come together. So I'm just keeping my hands on my hips, but your hands, your arms can be anywhere. You do want to keep your chest and chin up, okay, as you go. And you want to bend down low enough where you may touch that knee, but you don't want to pop down on the knee, but you want to get nice and low. So you can really feel it in that outer hip, in the thigh, okay? So breathing as you go, always breathing. That keeps our brain and our body nice. Biofeedback, nice communication, so that we know how we're doing. Good. Very nice. We're gonna take 4 more on this side, and then we'll do the other side. 3, good, 2, and last one. Good, good. So other side, same thing. Here we go. Cross behind and lower. Good. Very nice. Ooh, balance, yay. So that's part of the functionality of what we're doing, right? Is practicing not just strengthening our bodies, but also balancing our bodies, centering our bodies, okay? So that includes our stability, our centering, basically our balance. So everything we do, you know, is basically for a more functional body, including our ability to balance, our stamina, our strength. Keep going, you're doing great. Very nice. We're gonna take our last 4 here. Step behind and lower and raise. Good. 3, 2, last one, and 1. Good. Okay, let's go down to the floor and we'll do some abs. So we're gonna sit back here. So we're gonna sit on our tailbone Okay, actually we're gonna go all the way down to begin with, and then we'll come up on the tailbone, okay? So I'm lying on my back. As you can see, place your hands under your bottom, palms down. Give me my whole bun here. Okay, palms down. We are gonna lift the chin, the head off the mat. Go ahead and bring the knees up, keeping the feet and knees together. Lower that navel toward the front of the spine, really drop that navel, and then we're gonna touch the toes and come up. So easy breezy movement. Just doing a little toe tap here. Not bringing the knees too far in front of us, right? Because then we come out of that muscle pocket a little bit. So we're staying pretty much maybe a tiny bit above the 90 degrees, but not too far. And just touching the toes and bringing them back up. If you want to synchronize the breath, you're inhaling there, exhale as you bring the knees in. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Good. Inhale down, exhale up. Good. Dropping that navel in. It does help to look at the navel, okay? If you've done Pilates before, you know that a lot of times the gaze is at the abdomen, at the navel. That's where our focus is, that core. So let's do 4 more together. Lower and raise the feet. Inhale, exhale. Last 2. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good, good. Okay, we're gonna come up. So now we're gonna sit on our tailbone, okay? And we're just gonna do some Russian twists. So now we're gonna keep our toes down, okay? So we're leaning back on the tailbone. My arms are out in front of me, my elbows out to the side. We're just gonna go side to side. The elbows don't have to touch. That may be a little far for a range of motion, okay? But we're leaning back. The more back that you lean, the more you feel it. If you're here, that's fine, but you'll feel it less. If you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, or just deepen the movement a little bit more, you want to lean back. Good. And I'm just going side to side. I don't know why it's attributed to the Russians, but it is. Traditionally called a Russian twist. Good, so we're going to do, let's see, let's go a little bit more, 4 more now to each side. So 1, and 2, and 3, and last one, 4. Good, let me feel that. So we're going to do 1 more movement in closing, a little bit for our arms. So let's go ahead and find all 4s. So we're just going to do a basic push-up, okay? So let's go ahead, right here, hands are right under the shoulders. I'm in concave here, pressing into the mat. Navel pulled in, hips are down, feet are up, here we go. Lower down, and up. Easy breezy, down. Of course, you can pick the knees up, do regular push-ups, and up, and down, and up, or they can be modified. That feels good for me today. And up, but listen to your body. Down. Just 2 more of these. These are challenging. Down, and up. Last one, down, and up. Beautiful. Okay, gorgeous, yay! So we did our 10 minutes tops together. Beautiful, beautiful job. I'm Shani Ojukwu-Mantenso, Shani Om, Dr. Om. Thank you so much for joining me for functional fitness, and I can't wait to see you next time. Take care.